In today's fast-paced industrial world, reliable connectivity is vital. Introducing Emerson's Fisher FIELDVUE DVC7K digital valve controller, designed for higher productivity, optimized reliability, and increased safety with Emerson's secure Bluetooth wireless technology. Emerson's use of secure Bluetooth wireless technology allows you to configure, maintain, and troubleshoot field instruments on the go. Perform rounds quickly, prioritize tasks to address urgent needs, and resolve issues efficiently with advice at the device, the DVC7K's recommended actions. Additionally, you can access device information safely and reduce employee exposure in hard-to-reach, congested, or hazardous locations. Experience data transfer up to 10 times faster than traditional methods like HART, and connect to devices up to 50 feet or 15 meters away. With Emerson's secure Bluetooth wireless technology, no physical communications connection is needed, ensuring that field device internal components stay sealed and protected from unnecessary exposure to the environment. This increases the reliability of the device. Emerson's use of secure Bluetooth wireless technology is designed with security in mind. It leverages a unique ID, or UID, and passkey to ensure secure connections, and it utilizes encrypted data transfer and role-based permissions to safeguard your sensitive information against unauthorized access. Easily identify valves that need immediate attention using AMS Device Configurator, a free software available on computers, mobile phones, and AMS TREX device communicators. It leverages the same device descriptors, or DDs, for a familiar and consistent user experience while using Emerson's secure Bluetooth wireless technology. Boost productivity, optimize reliability, and increase safety with Emerson's secure Bluetooth wireless technology. Upgrade your field instruments today to Fisher FIELDVUE DVC7K digital valve controllers.